What is going on, guys? This is Tom and welcome to my first XHTML tutorial. And in this tutorial I'm just going to teach you a couple of introductory things that you need to know. I'm going to show you what you need to start creating your own websites, and I'm also going to explain to you what an XHTML tag is. And your websites are going to be built up of a few up to loads of these XHTML tags, so I'm going to give you an introduction into what they are. So first of all, what you need. You only need two things to start writing your own web pages. The first thing you need is a plain text editor. I'm using Notepad here, so I'm on Windows as well. If you go down to the start menu at the bottom, all programs, accessories, and Notepad. So we've got Notepad. Now once we've got our text editor, the second thing you need is a web browser so that you can actually view your web pages once you've made them. I'm going to be using Mozilla Firefox. You can use whatever browser you've got, be it Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, whichever one you use. So that is what you need. You need a plain text editor like Notepad and a web browser like Firefox or Internet Explorer. Now I'm going to explain to you what an XHTML tag is. Now I'll just quickly show you a very basic website that I made a minute ago. Just move this up a little bit. As you can see here, this is a very basic website. All it does is write "Hello, what is your name?" on the screen. But as you can see here, this word "what" is in bold. And how does a browser, Firefox, know how to display this word in bold? And to do that, you use what's called a XHTML tag. So I'm going to quickly show you what that is now. An XHTML tag begins with one of these symbols. I'm not sure what they're called. I'm just going to call them left pointy bracket or something like that. And then you want a right pointy bracket, and in between these two brackets is going to be the name of your tag, and this is going to be what it does. Now we want this tag to make our text bold like this. So this tag to make text bold is called strong. Pardon me. Strong. There we go. And then after your tag, what do you want to be affected by this tag? What do you want to appear in bold? Well, we want the word "what" to appear in bold, so we'll just type "what." And now, if you can, as you can see, after "what," where it says "is your name," this is no longer in bold. So what we've done here, we've said, okay, when you get here, I want you to start bold, do this word, and then end bold. So anything after this is just normal. So now after this T we need to end bold. How do we do that? Well, to do that you need to put a closing tag, and a closing tag is almost exactly the same as the opening tag, except that after the left pointy brace or bracket it has a forward slash, and then exactly the same, so strong, that. So what this is going to do here, we've got this XHTML tag called strong, and what it does, it makes text bold. And then we've got another one here which closes it, so everything after this will not be bold anymore. So whatever we put in between these tags is going to be in bold, because that's what these tags do. So in this case the word "what" is going to be in bold. Now I'm going to just quickly show you another couple of tags. I'm not going to explain to you in detail what they do, but just so you generally know what a tag looks like. There's another tag, let's say you can use EM, which is another tag, and I'll just write my name, Tom, and then we need to close this EM tag. And just like strong makes text bold, the EM tag makes text italic. And then I'll quickly show you one more. We can use the H1 tag, which is a header, and we'll just write "this is a header." And then of course we need to close this H1 tag. So we've got this H1 tag here and this closing H1 tag. Everything in between this is going to be a header, and I'll show you what that actually looks like on a web page in either next or tutorial after that. But you'll see what that looks like. Hopefully you understand now what a tag is. You have an opening tag and a closing tag, and anything in between this is affected by that tag, and the name is what the tag does. So in this case, Tom is between these two tags, and this is the EM tag, and what that does is make text italic, so this is going to be in italic. So I'll show you what they actually look like on a web page in a few tutorials on, or a couple, but that's what a tag is. You'll need to know about that. So I hope you found my first tutorial helpful. So yeah, please check back in the next tutorial. We're going to be learning how to write a basic website. So don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thanks.